Periodically, we will encounter formulas that have parts of the expression or a variable that's squared in the formula, and in that case the square root property can be useful in solving that formula for a variable. So let's say we had this formula, t equals r squared over 3s, and we wanted to solve that formula for the variable r. So we want to get r by itself. So let's take a look at that equation there. So currently we have t equals r squared over 3s. If we're going to get r by itself, right now r is squared, so let's get that r squared by itself. So let's multiply both sides by 3s to get rid of that division of 3s. So that multiplication and division cancels on the right hand side, and we've got 3st equals r squared. So we've got an expression squared equal to another expression, so we can apply the square root property. So if r squared equals 3st, and if you want to flip that around, you can. R squared equals 3st. Then that means r equals plus or minus the square root of 3st. Now, in the original instructions, we're assuming each variable is non-negative, and we're going to list only the principal root. And the principal root is the positive root. So we don't want the negative value there. We only want the positive. So solving for r with only the positive root, we've got r equals the square root of 3st. And there's our equation rewritten in terms of r using the square root property. Alright, that's the end of this video series on the square root property.